Hello and welcome back to Digital Assets Daily. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in your corner of the world. I want to go through a little bit of Arabian news, a little Arabian business here, connecting it back to the blockchain and Ripple. Briefly go through a few articles. We've never broken them down to a specific area. Just doing a little research, and these just popped up together basically. So just want to share them. Be a fun little video. The banks should encourage blockchain companies, says Rack Bank CEO. Banks have an important role to play in bolstering companies that are working to develop blockchain technology, according to Rack Bank CEO Peter England. In an interview with Arabian Business, England said that APIs and DLT present an opportunity to change the way international payments are handled. Blockchain technologies do have the potential to disrupt the financial services industry and create a gap in the market for innovative solutions, which is why banks need to embrace opportunities rather than resist challengers, he said. In November 2017, Rack Bank announced that it would be using RippleNet to send live, fast, and frictionless cross-border payments to Access Bank beneficiaries in just minutes. And we already have discussed in previous videos with Ripple working with Access. The Kuwaiti bank signs Ripple deal to speed up payments. Al Ali Bank of Kuwait announces partnership with financial technology firm Ripple to enable cross-border payments. Not going to go too deep into that article there. Saudi Arabia's Ripple effect could lead to $400 million savings. Cost of remittances also set to fall with the use of DLT, according to Moody's. And Moody's is the financial rating company. The agreement signed by Saudi Arabia's central bank to enable local banks to deploy X-Current for cross-border payments could lead to savings of up to $400 million, according to Moody's Investor Services. Ripple signed an agreement with the Saudi Arabian Monetary Authority, SAMA, to create the pilot program for cross-border payments. The pilot program, the first of its kind to be launched by a central bank, allows participating Saudi banks to explore a solution for cross-border transactions using DLT or blockchain. SAMA and Ripple will also provide program management, training, and other support to banks. I want to get into a final article here because I found it very interesting, and I said I would share the articles as I find them, and we'll get to that shortly. Midchain's plans to open crypto exchange in Abu Dhabi. Financial Investment Exchange says platform will be focused on the institutional market and professional investors. I'll go into this lightly, then we'll skip straight down to the point. Midchain's an Abu Dhabi-based blockchain-enabled financial investment exchange is set to open a crypto exchange business under the new Abu Dhabi Global Market, the ADGM, Crypto Asset Regulatory Framework. Midchain said the platform will be focused on the institutional market and professional investors. The company said it has submitted an application with the Financial Services Regulatory Authority, the FSRA, of the ADGM, pending regulatory approvals. Midchain's plans to launch a fully regulated platform with a suite of institutional services to enable the ecosystem to grow both regionally and globally. The platform will also offer custodial services in addition to large pools of liquidity, including material orders via an over-the-counter desk. Now I want to skip down just to a really quick article. The platform can be used with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Stellar, and Ripple, including capabilities to list securities, commodities, and facilitation of Forex transactions subject to regulatory approvals. Again, we continue to find consistency in Stellar and Ripple being used together. As in IBM with their WorldWire, you have a partnership with Ripple and you have a partnership with Stellar. We're not trying to push the Stellar thing, we're only sharing the consistency. That's it, because you know here, if you're on this channel, our favorite of all of the digital assets, because of its use case, because of its partnerships, because of its scalability, its speed and security, and the list can go on, but we'll stop there. Our favorite, you know, is XRP. Again, we're not here for financial advice. We're only here for entertainment purposes only. Hoping you have a blessed day, and we will catch you in the next one.